Bro?
Justin.
Justin.
Yeah.
You gonna buy one of these? This is from Team G.
I want to. I've seen it for a minute now. I saw Jesse with it, Casey Neistat.
Oh, you follow Casey.
Yeah.
What is up? Does this even work? I haven't checked my mic yet, so I've been recording. Haven't even tested anything yet, but it's your boy, Alan Naffa. We're about to go skateboarding over to Tech Drive, Techway Parkway. So I'll see if I can get some content for that. We're gonna meet the co-founder, Jim Schwevel, crushing it. He was at a Chris Klaus's house yesterday, so I'm gonna go catch up with him. Haven't seen him in a while. Been editing content on the reg, guys. I think you'll like this new level vlogging. We about to hit it with the script. Let's go. Let me get the lens out. So I just record everything?
Do you just record everything now?
Trying to. Alright, Jim's showing me how to build how big of a business?
I'm gonna show you how to use our product. We built a company. I gotta always be selling, but yeah, for all these listeners out there.
This is an NDA, right? I could just zoom.
No, just do what you want. Go on our website, SurveyLex.com. Check it out. A voice survey platform where you can create, design, and deploy a voice survey in the cloud like you would a SurveyMonkey survey.
Okay.
This is super cool because for the first time in the world, you can kind of do voice surveys through the browser.
Built off of Blend Logic, this website.
Yeah, it's built by Logic.
Actually, this is really good.
Yeah.
I want to
I
just want to show this UI is so clean.
You can create an audio question, a text question. It's taken us a while to optimize this. Like, this is a free response type.
What did it take to get the coders? What did it take, Jim?
Effort. Depends on the person.
Okay.
If
Everything's
you're a
relative,
coder,
guys.
it takes motivation. If you're a marketer, it takes you learning how to code, so put in the effort.
There you go. Now we're really influencing.
If you're
Now we're influencing.
if you're a student, get on a computer and start coding.
These are the questions I ask myself every day. Look what Jim typed in. I don't know if this comes up on the screen. What's this?
How are you feeling? Are you stressed? Whatever.
I ask myself this every morning.
What are you grateful for?
There you go. That's what you want to see.
It's one click publish, done.
Boom!
First time in the world you can get a voice survey published in less than a minute. Pretty cool.
All built on AI. Now check this out. Look at this. Look at this, guys.
Check it out. One Logic logo. What are you grateful for? Powered by
Put
SurveyLex.
it in.
So what are you grateful for, Alan?
I'm grateful to have the means necessary to create content and show the world my vision. See the back end. Where's the back end, bro?
And check this out. Super smooth.
Wow.
Completed questions.
That's smooth as a baby's bottom.
You see if somebody drops out here, you actually still get the data. So if you complete the first question and don't complete the second question, you still get the data, which is cool.
Okay, yeah, so they have, basically what they call that in marketing is like customer drop-offs. So there's points in your survey or in your customer acquisition where people fall off, like any other funnel. I'm telling you guys, people should
drop
know
off.
this. People don't know this. This is the guy who taught me everything.
Yeah, so
That's how I built my company. Listen to me on the podcast.
Whatever. So you can see here, Alan's, what are you grateful for? Which I said, I'm grateful to have the means necessary
Oh shoot,
to
guys.
create content.
This
It's all transcribed.
Wait, let me put this in here.
He's sad and stressed, as you can see.
I said this. What is that? Google AI? Azure?
It's Google API, yeah.
Alright, let me break it down for you guys in the basketball digital marketing ballers group. There's a reason
What are
why.
you grateful for, Alan?
Whoa, and it recorded it. Wow.
Do you hear the quality? Do you hear the quality?
This guy's changing the world, guys.
Look at the machine learning models, your 20s.
Machine learning models, guys. Look at this.
So
Age.
He's in his 20s. High quality audio. He's awake male. He's sad and stressed, though. You're sad. Alan, you're sad.
Pobrecito! This is the future, guys. I'm telling you, you have to track and analyze all of your customer acquisitions, everything that they would ever do. And now if you have a voice survey, you could literally tell what they're going to do based on voice alone. This is fucking amazing, guys. What's the commission rate? Blurred. This content has been redacted. This content has been redacted.
But it's cool. I mean, it's fun. It's fun. It's fun.
I think that guy wants to be in the vlog. I think that dude wants to be in the vlog. I got him, fam. Here we go. Oh, if I get picked up or not. Yeah, so I was just having lunch with Jim, heading back to the apartment now. He was talking about this neuro launch science thing. I have no idea if any of this is gonna be picked up because the audio content. Yo, you want me on the vlog?
No, I like your longboard.
Oh, it's a cool longboard. Yeah, so I'm heading back now. Oh, sorry about that. You guys didn't have to do that. Oh gosh, the thing's messed up. It was pretty cool. Talked about neuro launch, SurveyLex stuff we could be doing. He actually co-founded a business with Chris Klaus, who owns this building over here. I've talked about it before on the blog. Oh, my brakes aren't working. Woo. Sorry. Yeah, so he did a business in, am I zoomed out or not? Yeah, he started Neuro Launch with Chris Klaus, and then now he's doing SurveyLex, which is that survey AI stuff I talked about. Yeah, we were doing that, and we were talking about life, business, how things were going, talking about marketing, talking about sales. And now I'm headed back. I got some more content to edit for you guys. Figured I would just show you guys day in the life, stuff that's possible. I just posted an Instagram post. If you guys follow me on Instagram, Alan Naffa or Blend Logic. Now I'm just going around with my board, and hopefully the windscreen protects from all this sound coming in. Got my utility belt. Oh God, I'm still sick, guys. Don't go out when you're sick. Alright guys, let me get this backdrop for you guys. Let me turn off the Kanye West music. Some guy saw me and was like, hey, I like your board. I've seen it from Casey Neistat. Casey, yeah. I taught Casey everything he knows. Was influenced before I saw Casey to get this board, and I don't have the boosted boards because I'm not sponsored by them yet. So yeah, back here in the apartment, gotta go edit, gotta do SEO. I guess, you know, it's that laptop lifestyle. Like, you guys, I don't really know how to phrase it. It's like, you know, lots of people have remote jobs, but you will never get out of the work, right? Like, you can't build something if you don't do anything. So, at least from what I know of digital marketing, I don't know everything, I don't know a lot, there's still stuff I'm learning. There's just ways that you can like bring energy, have good state, put smiles on people's faces. Like, if you want to know how to get sales online, like, just make people happy. Like, I don't know what else to say. So that's my attempt, is to like spread the joy, spread the spark in me that I think I could share with you guys, and hopefully it brightens your day. It's pretty shiny outside, so I gotta go back inside. I don't want to get tan. I'm a Filipino. Can't be getting any of that stuff now. Here we go. Oh, I don't even have the remote. Boosted board, check it out. I'll leave links below. Amazon affiliate links. If you guys know what it is, you know what it is. If you don't, yeah, I got more content on that, but see you guys inside.